In this video, I will show you how to clear your search history on TikTok using iPhone or Android. First of all, you want to launch open the TikTok app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the search icon at the top of your screen. Here you will find your recent searches. Now tap on the X next to any search. It will remove that specific item instantly. You can repeat this for each search you want to remove. If you want to delete everything, then head back, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now find the option of settings and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on activity center. Now tap search history. Here you will find full search history. Tap on select in the top right. Then tap on the select all search history option. Tap delete. Then tap on delete again to confirm. Once it shows no history, your search history has been completely cleared. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.